Hong Kong University of Science and Technology researchers have developed a 3D printing food solution that combines the use of graphene heaters and starch-based printing material with generative AI, all in a single 3D printer. Traditional 3D printing food technologies typically require post-processing steps that lead to imperfect shapes, use unappealing ingredients, or even face microbial contamination. Using graphene heaters surrounding the extrusion head, the researchers cook the food as it is printed at a constant, controlled temperature. By heating the material as it is printed, the foods keep their intended quality and shape. Supported by a generative algorithm that uses Python scripts, the 3D printer can create intricate food patterns on the fly. AI food design text-to-print tech that uses generative AI and Python scripts to create unique food printing patterns. The user puts in a prompt such as gingerbread man cookie, black and white image, vector style, and the 3D printer builds the design and the pathways. Though, if you look at the before and after, the team still has a little design work to do. For the future, the team looks to refine the technology, including the ability to preserve heat-sensitive vitamins. The researchers would also like to make the starch more digestible. Future work will also focus on real-world applications, including consumer buy-in, through sensory evaluations getting feedback from children or even hospital caretakers. I'm Devin Verbsky, and this is your Manufacturing Now.